Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is ABS. 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 ABS stands for Anti-Lock Braking System, and it refers to a safety feature in vehicles that prevents the wheels from locking up during braking, helping the driver maintain control of the vehicle. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Regular maintenance of the ABS system is essential to ensure it functions properly. Why ABS use in example number 1? In this context, ABS is used to refer to the system that requires regular maintenance to ensure its proper functioning. Example number 2. The ABS in modern cars has significantly improved braking performance and safety. Why ABS use in example number 2? In this example, ABS is used to refer to the anti-lock braking system in cars, emphasizing its role in improving braking performance and safety by preventing wheel lockup during sudden stops. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.